Hello, everybody. It is Friday, September the 4th. It's a Labor Day weekend, and this is Mr. Eichler's webcast. We got a whole bunch going on here in the upcoming week, so I just want to touch base with everybody before we all take off for our 3-day weekend. First of all, a reminder, Tuesday when we come back is our fire safety field trip. We're off to Fire Safety Village for the day, so remember, if they normally pack a lunch, send it, and if they don't, they'll buy a sack lunch at the cafeteria. Also, Wasiga, our chaperone meeting was this morning, and again, I'd like to thank all of our chaperones for stepping up and volunteering. I'm still looking for one lucky dad. I think there's time to squeeze you in if we hurry to get your paperwork processed. I could use one more, so if you can make it, I talked to your boss. They said it was fine, and trust me, this is the one field trip that you want to go on. It's just absolutely awesome. A reminder to all of our chaperones, please send in your $110 chaperone fee, as you got to pay too. I'm sorry, I know, but please send those in on Tuesday or just as soon as you can get those in. I'd be really, really grateful. Moving on to the wonderful world of classes. As a general note for everybody, start checking planners. We, the fourth grade teachers, have all talked, and we're all going to start trying to unify everybody through their daily planners, whether that be their digital planner on their iPad or just a regular paper planner for the non-digital students. We're going to try to get everybody unified on the same planner and checking planners before they leave classes. In an attempt just to get, again, everybody on the same page and get a little structure and organization happening there. Math class, my math class, I should say, and all math classes to a point, we will be beginning in the next week or so, arrays. Woohoo! I know you're excited, right? Area perimeter and multiplication fun in general. Again, a big plea to everybody, practice those math facts. It's not an option. Please get them going. 10 minutes every night. All your tables from 0 times 0 through 12 times 12. As a note, this is where the math kind of takes a little leap to the left with the arrays and the area models and stuff like that. So please do check the blog and for some lessons for mom and dad on how to do your kids' math homework and explaining some of these Common Core concepts. My ELA class, we are continuing to work on our superhero research papers, and we'll be doing so for the next couple of weeks. All of this stuff is to be done at home. I have been encouraging the kids to read these superhero wiki pages with their superhero on it. It's a lot of reading, and yes, it's by intent. I want them to be able to filter through a lot of information to find the information they need and to weed out what they don't need. This is a big higher level that we are striving to attain. And overall, I got to give them all a big pat on the back. They're doing quite well with it so far, so I'm very proud of them. We'll also be working some grammar next week as well. In my reading class, we have been working on a bit of a play with our weekly reader, and it's The Lion and the Mouse, and we've been using Toontastic to reenact our play and reading with emphasis and making our voices sound like the real characters and our narration sounding like that guy on the Science Channel. All things good and wonderful. Next week's pretty much a short week. We're off Monday. The field trip is Tuesday. So really it's a Wednesday, Thursday, Friday kind of a week. So fun and games will happen. Everybody have a fantastic Labor Day weekend, and we will see you all on Tuesday. Don't forget, wear your orange fourth grade t-shirt if you would, if you think about it. Oh, and oh my gosh, I almost forgot the big news. You asked for it and you got it. A digital lunch and learn has been scheduled for the Thursday, the 17th of September at 11 o'clock, and that will be held here, taught by yours truly, and we're going to teach you all a little bit about OneNote and then leave the rest of the time for questions and answers to try to get you all a little bit more fluent in what's going on with your children's iPads in the digital realms. If you're not a digital parent and you want to find more out about what's going on with the digital stuff, you are more than welcome. In fact, I implore you, please come and join us for our first Lunch and Learn. Thank you all so much again. Have a fantastic Labor Day weekend. I'm out of here. Everybody have a great one. Bye-bye.